Dear plantitos, plantitas, plant lovers out there, again, have a nice day. This is Vince, the plant lover. As they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. This statement supports the fact that apple fruits really rich in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidant. So this fruit really offers multiple benefits to human health. Apple trees usually grow in countries with low temperature, with medium to high humidity. Does this mean that we cannot grow apple trees in the Philippines or tropical countries like ours? Growing apples in our country, the Philippines, is possible, and this has proven by a third-year college student from Digos City, Davao del Sur. Guys, for this day, I will be showing you a very simple guide on how to germinate apple seeds, so that we can start growing apple trees in our backyard. Or if you haven't started yet growing apple trees in your backyard, dear friends, plantitos and plantitas, dear plant lovers, keep tuning in to our channel, for I will be showing you how to germinate or grow apple trees from seed. Before anything else, please don't forget to like and share our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can check this out. Guys, so umpisahan na natin. Ito yung mga materials na kakailanganin natin for us to be able to germinate apple seeds. Of course, unang-una yung apple fruit. So this is Fuji apple. Actually, binili lang natin dyan sa may palengke. So we can make use of any available variety of apple fruit available in the market. So this is Fuji apple. So dito tayo kukuha mamaya ng apple seeds para ipatubo natin. Then of course, meron tayong knife. Yan. Then kailangan din natin itong chopping board. At syempre ang ating planters or plant pots. So hindi na natin kakailanganing bumili ng mga magagandang planters. Pwede na tayong gagamit ng plastic cups like this, recyclable materials. So wherein we can readily pick them up from garbage bins or cans. So naging maalaga pa tayo sa kalikasan. Of course, kailangan din natin ang paper towel. Then, ang ating water. So, this is not a mineral water. Kinuha lang natin sa ating dyan, any potable water sa may balon natin. Siyempre, kakailangan din natin ng growing media. So, meron tayong mixture mamaya. So, meron akong 3 kinds of soil na imimix natin for our growing media. Ayan guys, mamaya kailangan din natin ito, tape, and of course, a pair of scissors. Then kung kailangan din natin mamaya ng lalagyan ng seed. Okay? So, we can now start. So, umpisahan na natin guys. So, the very first thing for us to do, of course, get an apple. So, we have to cut it around like this. Okay, so meron tayong 8 buto ng apple ngayon. So ito yung gagamitin natin, itatanim natin for germination. Yung mga iba guys, hinuhugasan ito ng water tapos ini-air dry nila ng 3 to 5 days. Pero sa akin, hindi na, diretso na nating itatanim ito. So bago natin siya itanim, let us try to peel some part dun sa outer covering. So this will induce a faster germination. So nakikita nyo dyan sa may tip part niya, so pwede natin i-peel. Yan. para lang ma-expose yung nasa loob. So i-fill lang natin siya na ganyan to let water penetrate doon sa buto para at least mas mabilis yung pag-germinate niya. Okay. Yeah. Basta dito lang sa may tip part niya guys ng seed para mas madali. Kasi itong outer covering ng apple seed, medyo matigas siya. Ayun. Kaya doon nagpapatagal yung pagtubo o paglabas ng ugat at saka young leaf nung magiging seedling natin. Okay, yeah. So, meron pa tayong dalawa. But please be very careful na wag naman masira yung nasa loob, the inner part of the seed. Okay. So, ayun guys. Meron na tayong seed. Okay guys, so the next process or step that we gonna do is of course prepare our seed bed or plant pots or plant container, o ito yung sinasabi nating planter. So anyway, tulad ng nasabi ko kanina, pwede tayong gagamit ng any plastic cups na pwede nating mapulot dyan sa mga daan, dyan sa ating mga basurahan. Then pwede na to instead of buying planters dun sa mga commercial stores. Okay? So of course, lagyan natin siya ng butas. Yan. Okay? Para at least yung water natin mag-subside, hindi yung mamalagi siya dito sa may container. Ayan. Ang kailangan kasi nito guys, kapag tumubo na yung seed natin, okay na yung seedling natin for repotting or replanting, madali po natin alisin yung seedling from this planter or from this plastic cup. So this time, i-prepare naman natin yung ating growing media. So, gagawa tayo ngayon ng mixture. of course, ito yung mga materials natin. Meron tayong loam soil. Ayan, loam soil. Siyempre, yung loam soil, it is really good for plants. Gusto ko ring lagyan ng sand. Kasi yung sandy loam soil, maganda ito sa plants kasi nape-penetrate nung air yung soil. In that case, pumapasok yung nitrogen dun sa roots ng plant. Of course, meron din tayong coco peat. This coco peat is very important to condition the soil. So, it serves as soil conditioner. So, kumbaga sa buhok natin, parang maganda yung texture ng lupa o yung growing media natin. So, ginagawa niya itong mabuhaghag para at least hindi mamamalagi yung water dun sa soil na maaaring ikararat o it will rotten the seed or the plant. Okay? So, mix natin. Yan, lagyan natin ng sand. Pero huwag naman masyadong marami. Mas marami dapat yung loam soil. Then, of course, our coco peat. Okay. Haluin natin. Para yung coco peat, yung sand, mag-mix sila evenly. Yan guys, ganda ng texture ng growing media natin. Oh, eto, hint lang kapag kayong growing media natin, para ma-check kung talagang maganda yung kanyang texture, pwede tayong kukuha na ganyan. Tapos, gawin natin siyang ganyan. Tapos, kung hindi siya mag-stay, na parang mabuhaghag siya, so, ibig sabihin, maganda yung texture nung growing media natin. Yan. Okay. So, ready na tayo para ilagay natin sa ating planter o dito sa may plastic cups natin. Yan. So, tignan nyo guys. Pwede lang natin gawin ito sa ating mga bahay. Walang masyadong kailangan. Hindi ganun ka-complicated yung gagawin natin. Okay. So, yan. Meron tayong 6. So, 6 ngayon ang i-germinate natin na seed. Okay. So, ready na yung pagtatamnan natin ng apple seed. Yung susunod natin gagawin guys, let's water the planters. Now, basahin natin yung ating growing media para at least mag-settle yung soil. Ayan. Para makapag-settle yung mixture natin, yung growing media natin. Bago natin ilagay yung ating seed or buto ng apple. Okay. So, ayan. Ready na yung ating seed bed o planters with, of course, the growing media. So, magtanim na tayo, guys. Meron tayong 8 buto kanina. So, siguro yung 2 planter natin, lagyan na lang natin ng 2 para at least kung halimbawang hindi mag-germinate yung isa, meron pa tayong isang seed. Okay? So yan. Paalala lang guys, kapag maglagay po tayo ng seed o buto, yung paha lang siya, pahiga lang siya. Para kasi kapag hindi siya pahiga, hindi natin kasi sigurado kung saan lalabas yung root. So, pahiga lang. So, yan. Wag nating masyadong ilalim. Ganyan lang. Ayan. Okay. Yan. Ilagay na natin yung isa para dalawa ito. Okay. I-press lang natin siya ng konti. Ayan. Press lang ng konti. Doon sa may salt. Okay, so ayan guys, nailagay na natin yung seed ng apple dito sa ating growing media. Pero hindi doon nagtatapos. Kasi kailangan natin siyang lagyan ng paper towel. Malapit na tayo matapos guys. Punta na tayo doon sa may last part niya. Ito yung silbi ng ating paper towel. Actually, yung mga ibang plantitos, plantitas, kapag ka nag-germinate sila ng apple, yung apple seed, inilalagay nila dito sa paper towel. Tapos, inilalagay dun sa may container, covering the container, tinatakpan yung container. Tapos, inilalagay lang nila sa may shady part. Kaya lang, ang sa akin kasi, kapag ka ganun yung process, kumbaga, nag-germinate lang tayo ng seed, tapos, kapag ka nakita na natin na tumubo na o lumabas yung buto o yung a leaf of the seed or the germinated seed, then ilalagay ulit natin sa ating seed bed o dito sa ating mga planters. So, kung gano'n ang mangyayari, parang madidisturb yung growth ng ating seedling. So, for me, mas maganda yung ganito kasi diretso siya. Kapag tumubo na yung kanyang root o nag-germinate na yung seed natin, so tuloy-tuloy yung kanyang growth. Hindi siya nadidisturb. Kasi kung i-disturb natin yung growth ng ating germinated seed, so maaring ikamamatay nung magiging seedling natin. So, kaya ganito yung ginawa natin. So, yung last part, guys, we are going to make use of this paper towel to cover the seed. Ang magiging role nitong paper towel is to contain moisture dito sa ating planter. Ayan. So, ganito lang guys. Hindi siya mahirap. Ito kasi yung magme-maintain ng humidity nung growing media na kinakailangan ng ating buto para maganda ang kanyang tubo. Ayan. So, we covered the planters with paper towel. Then, after that, basahin ulit natin. Na? Ayan. So, basahin natin yung paper towel. Ganyan po siya, guys. Yan. Okay, so ayan. Tapos na tayo, guys. Bale, yan na siya. Every now and then, i-check lang natin yung moisture content ng soil natin. Kung dry siya, syempre kailangan natin siyang isprayan ng tubig para at least ma-maintain yung humidity ng ating growing media. So for that, ma-activate yung pag-germinate ng ating apple seeds. Okay? So, ilagay lang natin ito sa may shady place. So, hindi siya direct sunlight. Kasi, maaring ikamamatay ng seed. Lalong-lalo na ang itinanim natin ay apple seed. And we should know that apples really want humid or low temperature. So, pwede lang natin ilagay sa silong. Pwede rin naman sa labas, pero morning sunlight lang yung pwede sa kanya. Guys, kapag naitanim na natin yung buto ng apple, after 3 to 5 months, bale, ito na po siya. Na? So, actually, ito, so this is already an apple seedling. Ginawa ko ito, o germinate ko ito, nung meron tayong date. Ayan, 7/14/20. So, that was July 14, 2020. So, ibig sabihin, July, August, September, October, November. So more or less 5 months old na po itong apple seedling natin. Gumamit po tayo ng the same apple fruit, yung Fuji apple na ginamit natin kanina. Actually, 6 po ito. Kasi usually yung apple fruit, ang magagather, makokolect natin na number of seeds doon is 6 to 8 seeds. So, meron akong nag-gather last time na 6 seeds. So, germinate ko siya. Actually, yung seeds, nag-germinate siya lahat, 100% germination. Kaya lang, yung 3 hindi siya nakasurvive because of the weather. Kasi sa mga nagdaang months, dire-diretso yung ulan natin dito. Hindi ko naman masyadong naasikaso, nasa labas lang pala siya. So, dun, parang, basang-basa yung seedling, every now and then, every day. So, dun, unti-unting namatay yung 3 seedling natin. Good, itong 3, they survived the weather, at nakikita nyo, ito, healthy siya. Actually, parang hindi siya tree. Pwede rin natin siyang gawing ornamental plant na ilagay sa ating mga terrace. So, okay siya. it looks fascinating and beautiful. Okay? Bago natin tapusin ito guys, lagyan lang natin yung seed, nung date ng germination ng seed natin para at least ma-monitor natin ang kanyang growth. So, ang date ngayon ay November 28. So, that is 11/28 year 2020. Okay, so siguro after 7 to 10 days, makikita natin na kung successful yung ginawa natin, magkakaroon na po siya ng young leaf. O lalabas muna, of course, yung kanyang root. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng date. Okay. So, tapos na tayo guys.